teacher. What are we going to learn today?
Hi, Thomas. Today we are going to learn verb to be.
But isn't it difficult?
No, it's very easy when we use the magic formulas. Look at that sentence. Mary is happy. It is a statement. If we look closely, we will see that the word's order is subject, verb, sentence complement. Every time you write an affirmative sentence with the verb to be, the order will be that. Remember that the subject can be a noun or a pronoun. Now, let's see a negative sentence. Mary is not happy. In negative sentences with the verb to be, we add not after the verb, and the order is subject, verb, not, sentence complement. And finally, let's look at an interrogative sentence. Is Mary happy? Now the verb has come to the beginning of the sentence, and the order of the words is now verb, subject, sentence complement. Keeping these formulas in your mind, you will always know how to make a sentence using the verb to be.
And what about the past tense?
In fact, nothing changes. You use the same formulas when you have to create a sentence in the past tense. Well, you just need to remember the past tense of the verb, okay? And if you don't remember the present tense or the past tense of the verb to be, there are 2 links in the description of this video where you can learn them singing.
I know the songs, teacher. And I love them. Kids, learn singing with Miss Katie.
Thank you for this advertisement, Thomas. Now let's see a sentence in the past tense. David was in the park. The word's order is the same. Subject, verb, and sentence complement. Now let's see it in the negative form. David was not in the park. Well, we put not after the verb. We have the subject, verb, not, and the sentence complement. Now the interrogative form. Was David in the park? The word order is verb, subject, and sentence complement. Now that you know the formulas are the same, use them.
This class was really cool. I learned a lot. Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome, Thomas.